Edema. Introduction. Edema happens when small blood vessels leak fluid into the surrounding tissue. Select true or false. Correct. Edema is a buildup of fluid in the tissues of the body. Which one of the following is a sign of edema? Choose one of the following options. 1. Enlarged abdomen. 2. Sudden weight gain. 3. Swelling. 4. All of the above. Correct. An enlarged abdomen, sudden weight gain, and swelling can all be signs of edema. Which one of the following may cause edema? Choose one of the following options. 1. Certain medications that affect the heart. 2. Certain medical conditions that affect the heart, lungs, kidneys, or liver. 3. Pregnancy. 4. All of the above. Correct. There are many possible causes of edema. Treatment for edema may include which one of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Diuretics. 2. Support stockings. 3. Treating an underlying medical condition. 4. All of the above. Correct. You can also help mild edema in your legs, ankles, and feet go away by elevating your legs higher than your heart while you sit. Avoid sitting or standing in one position for too long. Thank you for using Explain.